Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhargavi Rabal and I am a fashion mentor. And today I'm going to show you how to illustrate a skin shading. Now I just bought this color, skin color pencil. They are from Carot and these are the colors. So there are almost 12 colors and all of them are skin colors. Now before I start, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try out each and every shade. Because there are 12 colors and each and every shade is slightly different. Now as usual I'm going to name them. It's very important that I know which color looks like what, and the way the tonal value of each color is. So I'm going to name them. So what I can gauge it, there are 3 colors which are on the tan quality, there are a few colors which are on the rosy pinkish thing, and of course there is grey and black. So I've named each and every color, and now I'm going to try out in the circle. So what I could see is this, I can classify into 3 different style. So the first circle, what I'm going to do is more like a wheatish complexion, very Indian skin color tone. I'm going to use 4-5 colors to create that combination. So first is my skin, that's my base color. Second is this tan color, and I have 3 variation of tan. There's tan light, and then there's tan dark, and there is orangish color. Now of course these are my name given, the actual name could be anything else, but I always prefer giving my name which I could resonate. So I have given them different weirder names. Okay, this second skin type, what I'm trying to do is a very pale skin, a fair skin kind of. So again, here what the colors what I've used is skin color and a rosy pink color, and the third combination is a dark skin type where I've used grey as my first base. Second is my black, and I'm adding the dark tan color just to give the skinish feel to it. So yeah, I'm liking all the 3 combinations turn out nice, and I think they are fine. So that's my first color, the second color lighter, and the darker color, 3 colors. Now let me try these on my fashion croquis. Now I've already made many videos on how to draw a fashion croquis. Please go and check out. I have at least 4-5 videos. Get your croquis correct. Your fashion figure has to be perfect. So learn how to draw your fashion figure, and then it becomes easier. Okay, so here once my skin, the body is established, I'll start with my skin color. Now starting first with a wheatish complexion, what I'm doing is the base color. So I'm coloring it with a skin tone. I've colored it all over. Now the second color what I'm using is this tan color. As I said, I've named this as tan color. Because it is wheatish complexion, I am giving the darker tones. I'm blending it nicely with the skin tone, because otherwise skin would be very pale, and this gives more realistic look to it. I personally like this complexion, so this is nice. So first is the base, and then second is this wheatish, so the tan color. I'm adding the darker tones. Now as a illustrator, it is very important that you should know which part is darker, which part is lighter. Now because the body is more like a cylindrical body, sides are darker, you should know where the highlights are going to be. Again, like below the knee is darker, and below the bust is going to be darker, below the neckline is going to be darker, so below the chin is going to be darker. So once you know that, then it becomes easier for you to illustrate. Now again, when you're giving the darker tones, the blending has to be correct. That is also one thing you have to consider. So it should not look patchy. Make it smoother shading. Practice is one thing which is going to help you. So blend it nicely. Again, at least have minimum 3 different color variation. It gives more depth to your illustration. Not only with skin, even with your garment also. It's better if you have more shades to it. It makes your garment look more realistic. So yes, this is done. What I'm doing is outlining it with a black micro tip pen. Now for fashion illustration, it's fine. You can outline it with black tip and it looks glamorous. But of course, when you're doing a real portrait, then you'll never outline it with black. But since it is fashion illustration, it's all about glamour, it's all about looking good. So yeah, you can afford to outline it. Okay, starting with my second body type, I'm going to use this light color, fair skin color. Now I'm using 4 colors, that is my skin color, and the lip light, lip dark. These are 2 colors which I've used, and there's another name what I've given is cafe. So cafe dark. These are only 4 colors what I've used, but major is going to be the skin and the rosy pink. That is my lip color. So as you can see, this is very fast and quick because it's a light skin color, and I'm just adding a darker tone. Again, the fundamental remains the same. You need to know which part is darker, which part is lighter. Sides are always darker. Your body is cylindrical body, so you should know how to do the shading. Blend it, it should not look patchy. Okay, so now with the third sketch, now here I'm going to use a darker skin type, giving the garment body outline, giving different poses, and the garment outline also. Here I'm going to use this darkest skin tone. These are the 4 colors: gray, black, skin, and the orangey color. So starting first with the tan color, the dark tan color, and I'm adding a gray tinge to it. So just the sides, I'm making it more acute and blending it nicely. The dark skin model looks very interesting. There's so many garments they can carry it so beautifully. So okay, after adding a gray color, I'm adding a black color. Now again tan color, and then adding gray color. As you can see, I'm blending it nicely. Sides I'm making it darker, and then soft coloring, and then I'm adding black, and then blending it again. Yeah, it's turned out very nice. So, and then giving more skin to it, so I'm adding that tan color, or else it will look very black. So I'm just adding more, the wheatish skin thingy. So that's about it, and it's looking overall. See, all the 3 different skin types have turned out very, nice. They're all different, and yes, we are almost done. So I'm happy with the color. I have this a pack of 12 pencils, and I'm happy. I'm good. So I'll keep on trying making different skin colors, giving the outline to my second and the third sketch, and okay, just adding the background to it. Looking nice. I'm adding the garments. Here I'm using the Camlin brush colors. They're nice and quick way of illustrating, rendering. It's nice, very fast. Now of course, if this video was more about the garment, I would not use only these. I'll give more detailing, but this is all about skin shading. So just a quick thing. Okay, the hair. Now you all must have seen my last video. I have taught how to do this curly hair, quick and easy way to draw these hair. I've used brush pencils, and it's so nice and quick. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You've learned what are the 3 different ways of illustrating different skin type, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also the bell button. So ta-ta, bye-bye, see you.